Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel ABR Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can set up Google Keyword Planner without entering your card details. Alright, in case you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Alright, so please, your subscription matters a lot to us, okay? So that's our YouTube channel. Just subscribe to our channel. Then drop your comment in any way you are confused about the whole article, like drop a comment, share, and invite others to like our videos. All right, so please, like said earlier, in those years it is very hard for you to set up a Google Keyword Planner without entering your card details. You can't do it. All right, so but this time I'm going to be giving you a URL that you will have to use directly and get to it without setting up campaign and all of those things, entering your address and all of that. All right, with just your Google Mail, like your Gmail, sorry, you are good to go. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, I was able to set this up because in those years, for you to set up a keyword planner, it means you have AdWords account. All right, so but I'm able to set this up without the the normal process. I got the link and boom, that's it. All right, so let's just head over to a browser. We have our browser there, you have the link already. So I'm going to be dropping the link in my description so that you can follow that same link and you don't need to pass through the normal procedure. But in case you pass through the normal procedure, all right, the one that requires you to set up the campaign, set the ad limit, set everything. All right, with this link it sends you to choose the right keywords. All right, go to keyword planner. But the other procedure, we have to set up everything, your campaign, the amount you want to be spending every day. All right, so that's a long process anyway, but in case you face that same challenge, there is still a shortcut to it. All right, so in case you face that challenge, like I said earlier, you can drop a comment with a screenshot and I will tell you exactly what to do on how to bypass it and start using these free keyword tools. All right, I think this is the most accurate, not accurate 100%, but at least it's better than most of the paid tools like Ahref, like SEMrush, and all of those stuffs. All right, those are quite expensive, but with this very one, you can get keywords. You can do your keyword research perfectly without problem. All right, so but I'm also going to be dropping a video on how you can do keyword research with this tool. All right, this Google Keyword Planner, how you can make a research of low competition keywords with high with high volume. All right, with high traffic. Okay, I'm going to be teaching you. I will explain everything you need to know about this in the next video. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, you hit the notification bell icon. In case we drop the article, you'll be notified immediately. All right, so please stick to the video and watch. The network is quite poor, that is why everything is just going blank. The network is quite poor. All right, the network is quite poor, but please just exercise a little patience. All right, okay, we have it here. Update to keyword planner, we got it. Okay, we've got it. So let's just keep working. Like, we have two options here. We have discover new keyword, get search volume, and forecast. Let's go with discover. And in this discover, we still have other options like start with keywords. All right, we have two categories. You can either start with keywords, huh? Or you start with a website. But okay, that's one, and the other, you can use either of this option, but start with a website. You have a website you want to get the keywords they are ranking for. Maybe you try to outrank them. You can see this. So using this one, we learn how to get a domain. But we're going to be changing our country. So we are targeting United Kingdom, or maybe United States. Any of it is okay. All right. We're trying United States and we get results. Okay, so that's just how it is to set it up. All right, with this you can change the preference, everything you need to change. All right, so in our next video, like I said earlier, there's going to be going to be dropping a video on how you can use Google Keyword Planner to get low competition keywords with high traffic, at least 100 to 10,000 every month. It's something with good CPC. All right, we're going to be targeting top tier countries like the United States of America, United Kingdom, and Australia as well. All right, so just stick with us and hit the notification bell icon, subscribe. Please subscribe, drop a comment if you're confused about anything, and we'll take our time to explain to you. If possible, drop our WhatsApp number so that we can talk on WhatsApp. Good luck.